1, 2, 3. I want you to say eyes on me. Or, yeah, that's how that goes. We'll just do that, alright? And so I'm going to start with our character lesson for the day. I've kind of been going through some stuff with it. My grandmother passed away 2 weeks ago now, so right before the weekend before break. And so I was dealing with that, and we're planning on going home Wednesday after my LC lesson. And then my brother broke his back Tuesday evening, playing hockey. And so I was in the hospital with him until Thursday, which was when the visitation started. And so I was dealing with all kinds of that stuff. And so this kind of slipped my mind until last night, to be completely honest. And so I'm doing my LC lesson again. It went well there, so yeah. And so perseverance is my character lesson for the day. And a verse that goes with it is Romans 12:12. It's kind of what get me through this, to be honest with you. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer. Prayer is something that'll get you through absolutely anything. And hope will as well. So I just want to start with that. And does everyone know what perseverance means? Anyone? No? So you know?
Does it mean you keep going even when it's hard?
That's exactly what it means. And so yeah, that's what we're going to start with. So now we're going to start with our lesson. We've been working through our division facts. You already learned our multiplication facts. And so we're going to start with our sevens. And so we have learned our grouping and arrays, as well as our multiplication facts to do our division. And so yeah, we're gonna do our sevens right now. Let's see if I can close it up. All right, so I want you guys to start by doing 35 divided by 7. Does anyone know how you can do this, other than the grouping method up there on this showing? Or does anyone know how the grouping method works? No? Yeah?
Would you draw 35 dots and try to put them in even circles?
You could. That's a little bit difficult because you have a lot of dots and you're trying to sort out where you go from there. So it's easier to start with the circles. And so when you have this is telling you how many dots, which you're exactly right. But this tells you how many circles you put the dots in. So if you start by drawing your 7 circles, which is shown up here, then you go 1 dot at a time, all the way through until you get to 35. And then that will be your answer. Does anyone know the answer to that? Yeah? 5, you're right. I'm going to write that. And it is on the board, but that's kind of how the grouping method works. I'd like to start by going through some of these with you guys. And so who knows 7 times, or 7 times something equals 63? Anyone? No? Alright, so we will do this another way. We'll just use our grouping method. Does that work with you guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So we're going to start with our, we're going to get 7, right? 7 times something equals 63. So we got 7, 2, 3. Alright, so we gotta put 63 dots in here. Alright, so we got 7 times something. Now, anyone know our 7 facts? We went through these already. See, yeah?
7 times 9.
7 times 9, you're right. And so that's just what we're going to do. We're going to go through this first 10 together, and then we're going to do our worksheet on our own. It'll be about it, to be honest with you. So we had 7 times 9, or 7 times 9 equals 63. So what does 63 divided by 7 equal? If 7 times 9 is 63, yeah? 9, you're right. It's that simple. And so if 7 times something equals 7, which is 1, yeah? 7 divided by something equals, or 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Yeah. It's pretty simple. It's just, it's showing you that the multiplication problem, or the division problem is the flipped multiplication problem. That's all that is showing you. And so if you understand your multiplication facts that everyone should know, because you all did great on your multiplication tests that we did a couple weeks ago, you should be able to do this. And so we're going to finish this up here, and then we're going to go through that, and we should be about good. 7 times something equals 14 is 2. And then 14 divided by 7, 2. And 7 times something equals 28, which is 4. And then 28 divided by 7,
4.
4. Yeah. And so now we're going to do the bottom here real quick. So you've got 56 divided by 7 is... Anyone? Yeah? 8. Yeah, that's correct. And 21 divided by 7? 3. 42 divided by 7? Anyone? No? Yeah? 6. Okay. And so now we've got 7 divided by 35 in our long division form, which everyone should know as well. We've worked on that through other problems. Anyone? Yeah? 5. And then we've got 7 divided by 0, or 0 divided by 7. I'm sorry. Which is 0. I think everyone should get that. And then we got 49 divided by 7, which is
7.
7. Thank you guys. So now we're going to go through, since we went through all this before, we should be able to do it. Oh my goodness, I didn't even pass it out. I'm sorry guys, I didn't realize that you guys didn't have it. Well, here's the worksheet that we just went through. My word. Alright, pass that down for me. Alright, so now I'm going to pass out the second worksheet that we're going to go through as your guys' assessment. Just fill it in and raise your hand when you're done. Raise your hand if you need anything. Come around up there. When you're done, I want you to flip it over. I'll come around and collect it.
And we have one extra.
Oh. Yeah. Thanks. Is that all? I think so. Yeah, you still have one left? Okay. All right, guys. I would like to close in a word of prayer, real quick, and then we'll have a great day. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for everyone that's here. Please bless everyone as it comes to the end of the semester. Please bless everyone with the stress, and thank you for friends and people that can support you, and thank you for your love to back everyone up. And just my prayer.
Amen.
Thanks.